Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the Pixel model and Android version so you pick the right path. Make sure Wi-Fi is active and you have the Google account used on the phone. This matters for verification. If you do not have a backup, understand unlocking may erase local data. Prepare for that outcome. Once ready, power the phone off and then boot into recovery mode using the key combo for your Pixel. This gets you into the tools we need to move forward. You are now in recovery mode. Use the volume keys to navigate and power to select. Choose Wipe Data/Factory, reset only if password recovery via Google Find My Device or Smart Lock is impossible. This erases local files, but removes the lock. Once the reset completes, reboot the phone and follow on-screen setup. Make sure to sign in with the same Google account used before so factory reset protection clears. This step verifies ownership and restores access to the device. You finish by completing the Android setup and reconnecting to Wi-Fi so account verification can complete smoothly. If factory reset protection prompts you, use Google's account recovery to regain access. This proves ownership and will let you proceed. If verification fails or the phone remains activation locked, contact Google support or your carrier with proof of purchase. This resolves transfer or carrier activation issues. Finally, make sure to enable a password manager or backup so you don't lose access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.